Alrighty, my name's Chris, and the game I've picked to critique is Dead Rising 1. I can't say I like a lot about it. I've only ever played Dead Rising 3, so I figured I'd try the first one, see how it went. Um, so I'll particularly start with my dislikes of the game. It is an old game, so I don't kind of know what I expected out of it. Um, when you're kind of going through, the UI is not the greatest, directional to really help you get from A to B or figure anything out. Um, and it kind of shows you, like, on the left, there's two missions. I have to, like, go all the way into the map just to select those and figure out where I'm going, even though right now I'm trying to, save this guy. So it's not very user friendly in my opinion. So I'm kind of all over the place. And when you're going through it, if you fail the main mission, which is right here in the case files, which I have, you can't do anything else with the main mission. So you lose kind of the point of the story. Then you just have all these side missions, which if I just hit for guide arrow, they're all right here. And they're all over the place. So it kind of gives you a countdown. You got to run and go get them. And even for this one, I've actually done this one and it's still there. So I've run into many issues with the game. I would say the things I kind of like about it are the collision of the game. So when I'm thinking, like this guy holding on to me, you'd think this be very buggy. The worst part is kind of clipping, but he doesn't really hinder me at all. And I can let him go and freely like bump into him. And then even climbing, I'm able to kind of mantle no problems. I want to get him in here, but I have to wait for him actually to get up on this ledge, or as possible, get up on this ledge. So that's kind of a dislike waiting for it. I mean, you just saw what he just, his wounded leg magically healed. Another thing I like is kind of the map layout. It's not, you don't really get a lot of that in games where you have this big open map, but there's many different secret entrances all over the place and maintenance tunnels you can go through, but you have to earn them in the game. I haven't done that yet. I haven't earned them yet. So I still have to take long ways. It's a long battle, but it's kind of a grindy game now because I failed the first mission. Like I'm unable to continue. So when I'm going through, another dislike I'll have to say is how easy it is to either dodge or get hit by a zombie. As you can see, I'm jumping a lot to dodge. But once they grab you, it's like the most out-of-box way they grabbed you. See, I hit him to make him drop his stuff. But like, see, they missed there, but if they could have hit just as easily. So it's very frustrating. A lot of it's just kind of nitpicking at this game. I think it's good overall. Getting the different skills as you level up and really just fighting zombies is, I guess, the aspect of it, right? But they could have done a lot better when it involved the UI not being as cluttered all over the screen. When I played Dead Rising 3, that was something they fixed. It was a lot more internal versus all over the place. But overall, it's an okay game. I wouldn't recommend this one. I would recommend just go ahead and grab the other ones because it's not even the same character. But it was okay. It could have done better. And that will be the critique for me. And you can even see the zombies just falling down. But that will be for me. And if you want to play the game, sure, go ahead. If you don't, I don't blame you. Alright.